Login failed on Tomoson Finance App Fix. You open the Tomoson Finance app, ready to track your spending or check investments, and login failed. It's annoying, but there's no need to worry. The solution is usually simple, and you can fix it in minutes. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable network is the #1 reason logins fail. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. Next, update the Tomoson Finance app. Older versions may no longer sync properly with the company's servers after a security update. Head to your App Store or Google Play, search Tomoson Finance, and tap Update. Now, re-enter your credentials manually. Avoid using autofill. It often stores outdated passwords or adds extra spaces. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it securely. Try clearing the app's cache. On Android, open Settings Apps Tomoson Finance Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to clear corrupted data. If you're using biometric login like Face It or Fingerprint, disable it temporarily and log in manually. This can refresh your authentication token and restore access immediately. Also, turn off any FIN or proxy service you're using. Tomoson's security system sometimes blocks logins from hidden or foreign apps to prevent fraud. Finally, if everything seems fine but you still can't log in, it might be a temporary server issue. Check Tomoson's official website or status updates to confirm. So next time your Tomoson Finance app said login failed, remember it's usually not your fault. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your details, and clear your cache. With these quick steps, you'll be back to tracking your finances with confidence in no time.